Hello everyone, welcome to Odoo once again. In the last video, we saw how to override the create method in Odoo 18. In today's video, we're going to see how to override the write method in Odoo 18. But before that, let's see what is the problem that we're going to solve by overriding the write method. If we go to our student.student model and edit an existing records student ID, let's say the spam, and edit this student ID with another existing ID, let's say st002, and if we click on the save button, let's see what happens. It gets saved. It didn't raise the validation error, although it is containing an existing student ID. So this is a problem, and we're going to solve this problem using by overriding the write method. So go to our code base inside our student.py file, which is inside the models folder here, and inside our model, which is a student.student model, inside this, right under the create method, let's override the write method. To override the write method, we don't need to use the api.model decorator. Okay, vals. You already know what is this vals and everything else. We just need to copy the existing code inside the create method and paste here, and only thing that we need to change here is the create method, and we have to call the write method of the superclass, and that's it. If we save it now, the logic is same. When the write method gets called, well, this is a valid question. Only when we edit an existing record, then the write method gets called. But when the create method gets called, we already know that whenever we create a new record, then the create method gets called. So that's it. Now if we save and reload our server and upgrade our module, upgrade this. Now let's see, if we edit an existing record and use an existing student ID like st001, and if we click on the save button, then let's see what happens, if we get the validation error or not. Let's click. Yes, we have got the validation error, and it is saying that a student with this student ID already exists. So now whenever we create or write, or in simple word, if we create or edit an existing record, then if that record contains an existing student ID, then we will get this validation error. So both of the problem get solved. So now we have to enter a valid student ID and unique student ID. Save it. Now it works. Now let's create a new student to see if our create method is working or not. So let's give a name as Hasib, student ID as st00. Let's check with existing ID first, st001, gender male, and if we save now, we should get the validation error because the student ID is already existing in our database. Okay, so we have to use a unique student ID here. So let's use st004, and if we save here, click on this, and now it is saved successfully. And let's see, check the write methods process once again. If we edit this record with an existing student ID, let's say st002, and if we try to save here, we will get that validation error. Yes, a student with this student ID already exists. So st004 and save it. Well, what is the problem? skirt changes st004 st005. Okay, now it's done. Well, so this is the process. This is how we override the create method in Odoo 18. And well, this is done for today, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and stay safe.